Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roid client. While trying to play League of Legends or Valorant, the Roid client is not opening in your Windows PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right in your Windows PC, you will find an up arrow key. Click on it. Now right click on your Roid client and you will find the option of settings. Go ahead, click on the option settings and the Roid client will instantly open to you. From here, close it and go ahead and log in and then launch your game to fix out the issue of Roid client not running. Now if this simple step doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. In task manager, press the R key to find Roid client services running into your PC. Here it is. Right click and choose the option end task. This will completely close the Roid client services for you. Now go ahead, open the directory of the game which is available in C drive, Roid games, Roid client, and here you will find Roid client services. Now at this point of time, you need to do few changes and then check one by one the Roid client is started to work out for you or not. First change is right click and choose the option properties, click on compatibility tab. Uncheck the option run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK button. Now launch it. If it doesn't launch, again properties, compatibility, check mark this option and then click on the option run this program in compatibility mode. First of all, choose Windows 8, apply, OK and launch it. Again, if it doesn't launch, again go to the properties, compatibility and this time choose Windows 7, apply, OK and then launch it. If this also failed, nextly is again head over to properties, compatibility tab. First of all, uncheck this option, then simply click on the option run compatibility troubleshooter. Click on the option yes over here. Now it has found the installed apps. Find Roid client over here. If it is not available, click on the option none of the above and it will again search. Here is Roid client. Click on it. Simply choose the first option and click on the yes button. Now once it is said that try to launch your application again, go ahead and try to launch it. If troubleshooting also doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the further advanced troubleshooting steps. Go ahead and if you have installed any third-party antivirus in your system such as Norton, Avast, AVG, McAfee, Malwarebytes, make sure you completely uninstall the third-party antivirus from your system. And nextly is head over to settings menu, click on the option system and choose the option display over here. From here and another multiple display, if you attach your system to one or more displays, make sure you only use the main display. If you have more than one display, disconnect it and once your only main display available, relaunch the game and hopefully Roid client will start it to launch. Now if this method also failed to work out, click on start menu, type CMD, choose the option run as administrator. Now here type a command task list and hit the enter key. Now all the task list will be shown right over here and whenever I take it to the top, you can see the PID is available right in this pane only. From here you need to find two services. First one is Roid client services and second one is Roid client crash handler. Scroll down and find the service. Here is Roid client services and crash handler. Note down its PID. Once you note down the PID, type in taskkill /f /PID space the PID value. For crash handler, it is 6072. Hit the enter key. Once it is terminated, again type in taskkill /f /PID space the PID for the Roid client services, which is 15540 and hit the enter key. Once you have done it, close it. Relaunch your Roid client and hopefully you will be able to launch Roid client at this point of time. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, if you have enabled NVIDIA overlays, make sure you completely turn them off. By opening the NVIDIA control panel, click on the option general tab and under general tab you will find the option of in-game overlay. Make sure you toggle it off. Once you turn off the in-game overlay, close the control panel, restart your Roet client, and you will be able to launch your client without any kind of issue. However, if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now in regedit, in this address bar you need to paste a path. I share this path in the description of this video. Copy the path and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the enter key. Now in this right pane you need to create a new value, right clicking, new, dword 32-bit value. Give it a name, dev space override. Enter it. Now enter again to open it, and value data, make sure the value must be 0 and then hit the OK button. One more thing friends, if this value is already present, then simply open it, and in value data make sure the value must be 0. Once done, go ahead and close it. Now relaunch your Roet client and the issue of Roet client not opening will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.